SPRO is our configuration node to access the configuration part, and that configuration part is here on reference IMG. Okay, the first part over here is enterprise structure. Why? Because let me tell you that okay, now what we have seen the overview of FIMM. Now in configuration, what will start is we'll make a company code and controlling area, chart of accounts, retained earnings account, document splitting, ledger settings, field status variant, posting period variant, and what else? I mean, let's start with company and company code. Okay. So before we start any configuration, first we must have the structure of the enterprise. The enterprise is your company, your client. Okay. So we have to define the enterprise structure. The whole company will be defined in SAP so that SAP can understand what we're dealing with. Manufacturing, industry, retail, FMCG, whatever. So we define the company. That is the first step. Define company. Okay. So since this is our 52nd batch, T52. Okay. Now T52, let's say we have Mark Manson group T52. Okay. T52 Mark Manson group. Okay, nice street, PO box, postal code, city, Dubai, country, AE, language, English, currency, USD. Okay. You will save it. And once it saves, it will show me a customizing request. Save. And now I will say P52 Mark Manson Group MMG FI MMG Ahmed yeah Ahmed Nawaz and okay, I will save it. And now it will be saved with your name. Now you can access it. How you can access it, I'll tell you. So your company is already, mother company is made. Okay. P52. Okay. Next is company code. I will say edit company code data. New entries. P52. Mark Manson Group. City Dubai. Country AE. Currency USD. English. Save. Country AE. Enter. So right now we are making company and company code. Now what is a company code? Difference between company is a mother company, group of companies. Okay, group of companies. Company code is entity which can produce its own financial statements like balance sheet, income statement, which is profit and loss statement, cash flows, okay, and of course other financial instruments. So this is company code. So we have already made that. Next is business area. What is business area? Business area can be a vertical. Business area, what is business area? Like, for example, toys, detergent, apparel, these are business areas. So you can club business areas. For example, some GLs will have, for example, expenses or inventory clubbed for toys. But we don't actually use business area anymore because we use segments. We'll see how to make a segment. Okay. Functional area, it's again not used anymore. So we define segments. Segments are also independent of any company code. So the segments can be again the same. Okay, the segment can be the same. But the thing is, in segment, profit center can report. So if you have a profit center, a segment for toys, the profit center will be, for example, Islamabad. Another profit center will be Chicago. Other profit center will be Lahore. Other profit center will be Istanbul. So these are profit centers. So these can be geographical or these can be product wise. For example, you don't want toys. If you want toys, toys can be like Lego, can be a profit center, Meccano, okay, or DIY. So you can make profit center as you like, as the process permits. So that's how you make segments. Segments, we'll see how to make that. Then we'll also define profit centers. That was definition. We're not finished with definition, but I will just close the lecture because this is the first lecture today. So I'll assign company code to company, position T52, T52, and T52 company. Okay. Save and save.